Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing an old and trusted Zara haul. At this point I don't even remember what I've purchased because it has been a while since I've got this, but there is still sales going on, so I thought I'll do this now. Earlier I used to do a lot of Zara hauls, I remember, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I've purchased something from Zara after a really long time. Cutting the intro short in no particular order, let's get started. The top three things that I have here are the ones that I actually got from store, so I'm going to start with that. I got this cute little pink, baby pink sort of a crop top, Barbie pink, whatever you want to call it. इसके साइड में ऐसे ruffles हैं that I really like. मुझे लगता है ऐसी चीज़ें ना simple but yet something, they enhance basic tops or they get that extra element in them along the same color lines. I know these are not the only two pieces, but I've also got a cute little skirt जो same उसकी है color की, obviously shorts and then skirt from the front. I really like these cute little bows. I think इन्होंने skirt का पूरा look enhance कर दिया and just makes it a lot more feminine and cute. Then I got this blue top which looks like Skims ka dupe, but it is not very breathable material. I think ये polyester है, but I am not sure. I'll link everything down below so that you can go and check the material and everything. It is not breathable for sure, but I still feel this is very cute, and for a very chill look I think this will solve the purpose. Now on to the first delivery. I have some rubbish written here, but anyway, on to the first delivery. The first thing is just a plain shirt. So it's a shirt, pink shirt with white stripes. I just wanted to get shirts because आजकल I've started wearing shirts a lot, and मुझे लगता है these shirts even किसी के ऊपर open या फिर on its own, I think they look really nice. So I got this, like you can open a button, layer a nice stack of jewelry, and this will look really nice, so that's why I got this. Now following the bow pattern, this is a white top. It's a alternate top, बीच में bows बने हुए हैं with these cutouts. I really like it. मुझे लगता है these tops are very feminine and cute, and I think this season I'm just doing a very high feminine energy clothing, so I thought I'll wear, and white I don't wear a lot because I am really bad at maintaining white, so I thought I'll risk it and get this one. Okay, now on to the next box. I can spot something pink. Right, so the white top I got it in pink as well, but I feel this is too big for me. Might have to go back and get a different size if I like it, but yeah, I got the pink version of the white top as well because again looks very cute, and I think this pink top with that pink skirt will pair beautifully. Next I got a white dress. So if you see, there's a pattern. So far I've got pink and whites, but I can spot a black little dress there. So this dress is a bodycon dress, and it has got a huge cutout in the center, and इस पे ऐसे bows हैं इस पे ये bows हैं which look really cute. I thought I'll get this one to wear. Again, bows, white, pink. I think this is the theme for me. Next dress, probably this is one of my most favorite dresses that I've got, is again with a bow, but this is black this time. It is again a bodycon dress, super pretty, and it has this thin straps and cutout है बीच में, मतलब this part is going to be cut out, probably you can see somewhere, and these are the bows, and it looks so pretty. I mean, just look at this dress. This is the little black dress for the season. This third one is humongous, so let's see how much stuff we have in here. So the first one is this little top. It is so cute. This is a strapless top, और ये ऐसे fold हो जाता है ऊपर, and this is how it is. It looks really nice. बीच में ये छोटा सा slit भी है which will fall right on your belly button, I think, but this looks so cute. It really looked so nice that I was like, I'm going to get this top. Yeah, I like the color, very simple, very basic, and black for a change with white stripes. How many of the same kind of tops have I ordered? Next one is this black top, again bows. I have no idea why I've ordered so many bows. This is the one actually जो आपको खुद बांधना पड़ेगा. So this is this vest top, and आजकल ये vest tops are really in, and I thought I'll just get this. I thought if I have like a picnic outing or something, this will look really nice with very simple blue jeans, wide leg jeans. It'll look very nice, effortless, and black and gold jewelry is my favorite combination, so that And yeah, no brainer, and the outfit is ready. Then I got this cute little skirt. This is actually a skirt and not a skirt. Very simple, there's nothing to say about this, but very simple, very cute. It's a little white skirt, and again summer के लिए I feel this is going to be really awesome. Again मेरे को इसका कपड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं लग रहा. It feels like cotton mostly, so I think maybe this is cotton, so which is going to be really amazing. Next I got something in my favorite color, which is lilac. I got this dress, again halter neck है, and it has these ruffled design pattern on it. Body con hai, but I think मुझे ऐसी dresses personally बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, and I think they suit my body as well right now, although I've gained bit of weight. I think I like these kinds of dresses on my body type, and I thought I'll get it. Or halter neck, I don't know why I don't have a lot of halter neck clothing, so I thought this is the one. Can you believe when I say the pink top and the black top, and I've got the white as well in it? I have no idea. I don't even have any words for it. But I've got all the colors in the same top. This is what happens when I find something really nice. So you know, अगर मेरे पास same top के 3 different colors हैं, I really genuinely like it, and I'm really going to wear a lot of it. Next is this thing. I don't know what this is. This is a top, but it's too big for me if this is for me. Well, it is a plain top, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है this is too big. I don't know why have I ordered this, or what was in the picture that made me buy this, but it has got these 2 cute little strings and थोड़ी सी बड़ी sides. And yeah, it's just a plain and a simple top. I think the only element it has is the sides and the string. Baki is just your basic blue top, which is really nice. Okay, so it's a vest top as well, but again this looks humongous in size. This is going to be really big for me. Right, this is a vest top, again halter neck, but this has this side bandhne wala thing, so it's not simple straight. It is like overlapping, and then you tie it at the on the side. Yeah, white I think for summer is beautiful. This again with the white skirt is going to look really pretty. That's why I feel. This is a green asymmetric top. I don't wear a lot of green. This is the front of it, right? And there's nothing to say. I just found it very cute. Green मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं नहीं. I like this ruffled design on the side, and I like strapless tops, so I like this. And yeah, that is pretty much it. And I think green, there are 2 tops that I've got green. This एक और है अभी that I'm going to pull out in a bit, and I just feel I was just happy to see green because सब कुछ मैंने white, pink and black मंगवाया है, so I thought I'll just add a little bit of color. This top, the one I'm going to show you now, I really like this. So okay, this is going to be a bit complicated to see. So it has got this mesh thing that is going to come on top, and then this is the top that's going to cover you up, the green bit. But it looks so pretty on the website. It looked so nice that it was add to back, checkout, shipped to my house within a few seconds. I really like this. It's very much my style, so I'm going to enjoy this top a lot. Again, बहुत casual top है. Just pair it with a nice jeans, little shorts, anything, and it's just done. No brainer. I like clothes where you don't have to put a lot of brain, and these tops are that. So again, a strap top with a rose thingy here, but niche se it has got these frills, and I thought with denim shorts I will wear it. बहुत festival kind of vibe है इसकी. I really liked this, so I got this. Okay, so on to the last thing. The last thing is a pair of heels. It's a basic nude heels with these pearly things in it. आगे का is transparent, and then you go around and tie this around your leg. तो मुझे ये अच्छा लगा and I got it. That is the only reason. But let's see if it looks comfortable क्योंकि इसमें cushioning है. The other one I have has no cushioning, so I hope this is comfortable. What I love about Zara is they send their heels in a sort of a dust bag, so to store them it's not a big hassle. And yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Comment down below if there's something you like and you will also be purchasing, and we will be if you'd like to stick around, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.